In this video, I'm going to walk you through a super handy skill, how to make your logo transparent in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your logos that clean, professional look, perfect for watermarking images, layering designs, or just making things pop without a harsh background. Whether you're editing for business, social media, or a personal project, mastering transparency in Photoshop is a must. So let's jump right in. First up, we'll need to open Photoshop. So if you haven't already, go ahead and fire up the program. It only takes a moment, but I always like to remind people to wait for the full load. Sometimes your tools and menus might take a few extra seconds to show up, especially if Photoshop is doing some background work. Once it's all set, we're ready for the next step. Now, with Photoshop open, click on Open. You'll find this option in the top left corner under File. This is where you'll select your logo file. Maybe it's a PNG or a JPEG that you've designed or downloaded. Browse through your folders and pick the right one. If your logo isn't in the ideal location, it's okay. Just find it where you have it saved. Once you've selected it and hit Open, your logo will appear smack dab in your workspace, ready to edit. If you're working with a complex logo or multiple files, the steps will be pretty much the same. What really matters here is making sure you select the correct file so that you're not editing the wrong image by accident. Time for the magic, making your logo transparent. Here's where we transform a standard logo into something flexible and versatile for any kind of project. Take a look at the right-hand side of your Photoshop window. This is where the Layers panel lives. It might feel intimidating if you're new, but trust me, you'll get comfortable with it quickly. Find your logo layer, most likely called Background, or the name of your file. Click on it so it's highlighted. That tells Photoshop this is the layer you want to work with. Ready to dial in transparency? Look for an option labeled Opacity near the top of the Layers panel. By default, it's set at 100%, meaning your logo is fully opaque. But here's where you get to play. Click and drag the slider down to 25%. You can also just click the number and type 25. When you do this, watch your logo as it fades smoothly into the background, almost like a watermark. It's a small adjustment with a big effect. At 25%, your logo will still be visible but won't overpower your design or photo. It'll blend in beautifully, adding a professional touch. Don't worry if the end result looks a little bit more faded than you expected. You can tweak the opacity to suit your taste or project needs. Maybe for some images, 25% is perfect. For others, you might want to try 40% or even a bit less. The key here is flexibility. Test different levels until you find the look that feels right for you. And remember, this is a non-destructive edit. Your original file is safe, and you can revert back to 100% opacity anytime you like. Once your logo looks just the way you want it, you're good to go. You can now use this semi-transparent logo across all kinds of things: presentations, YouTube videos, product shots, marketing posts. The possibilities are endless. Making your logo transparent gives your projects that extra boost of polish and professionalism. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you're dealing with a tricky file. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.